Mummy Yumi looks like she needs help. Looks like Bettina wandered off again. Can you find her? It's Bettina, over there. Tap on the flag to finish your mission. Good job. Let's head back to Yumi. Thanks again. Bettina sure loves wandering off. Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? You can do it, Pop. A call from Mr. Porter. Food waste needs to go in the compost bin. It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. You've got it, pup. A broken lamppost. Do you see it? Keep going, pup. Nice work, pup. Chase. A broken lamppost. Do you see it? It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. Katie's calling. It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. Almost there. A broken lamppost. Do you see it? Almost there. You got it, pup. Yikes! The water from that fire hydrant is flooding the street. You got it, pup. Good work, pup. Keep going, pup. It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. Good job, pup. May a good way is calling. Paw Patrol. Thanks for hurrying, pups. The horn from the train scared Farmer Owl's cows. They've run out into town and are wandering around. We need to help Farmer Owl and get them back on the train before it leaves. Sky, I'll need you to spot the cows from the air. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Sky in, camouflage. All right, Sky, let's find those cows for Farmer Owl. You got it. There's a cow. You found one. You found one. There's a cow. Cow spotted. You found one. There's a cow. Whoa, watch out, khelte. There's a cow. You found one. You got it. Great work, Sky. Farmer Owl will be so relieved. The Paw Patrol saves the day. Catch some treats. It's Farmer Yumi.